Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back with another video, and in today's video I am featuring Oh My Pretty Hair. Big shout out to Oh My Pretty for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I am rocking their Kinky straight. This is a leather 6x4 pre-cut closure wig, lace, too bomb. Do you see that? Don't mind the cap, because y'all know that I don't do the bald cap, so I have this in 26 inches. As you can see, she is dumb long and I love it. This is a Kinky straight texture. I tried something different, usually, if you're familiar with the channel, usually with this texture, I will run the flat iron through the hair and get it as straight as possible. Today, I decided to leave it like in its natural state somewhat because it is absolutely gorgeous. Like, just look at all this body. I did bleach the lots when I received this wig and I let it air dry. I didn't tweeze this hairline at all. Like, even when I put it on, I did not put any tweezers to this wig. So this is truly pre-plucked and pre-cut. Links will be down in the description box. Shout out to Oh My Pretty Hair for sponsoring today's video. Bye.
Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed in the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Oh, girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into Bye.